Everybody wants pearly, white teeth for a dazzling smile. And while good oral hygiene and regular visits to your dentist will help to keep your teeth looking good, sometimes you need a more immediate solution, especially if you want whiter teeth for a particular event or occasion. Luckily, there are several things that you can do to get whiter teeth in under an hour and even in just 3 minutes. So, here, let me share with you the 4 ways on how to whiten teeth in an hour using home remedies. Let's begin with number 1. Use baking soda. Baking soda can be used to effectively whiten teeth in the space of a few minutes. This is due to the fact that baking soda is a mild abrasive which helps to scrub stains from your teeth. To use, wipe your teeth with a dry towel and any remaining saliva. Wet your toothbrush and dip it in some baking soda. Then brush your teeth as normal, paying special attention to the 16 visible teeth at the front. You should brush for about 3 minutes. Be aware that over time, baking soda can wear down the protective enamel on your teeth. So therefore, it is not a good idea to use this treatment every day. Stick to using it once or twice a week for whitening results without the risk of damage. Number 2. Use hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide can be used to bleach your teeth, making them whiter. It is completely safe to use, provided you avoid swallowing it. One way to use the hydrogen peroxide is to dip a clean paste cloth in the liquid, then use the soaked cloth to gently rub your teeth. The hydrogen peroxide will remove stains chemically, while the cloth will help to remove them physically. Alternatively, you can rinse out your mouth with a cup full of hydrogen peroxide, which also helps to kill bacteria and freshen breath. Or dip your toothbrush in the hydrogen peroxide and use it to brush your teeth. Number 3. Eat strawberries. After a meal, you should munch on a couple of strawberries for dessert. Strawberries contain folic acid, which actually helps to clean and exfoliate teeth, making them appear whiter. You can also mash a strawberry and mix it with some baking soda for a natural whitening toothpaste. Other foods that help to naturally clean and whiten teeth includes apples, pears, carrots, and celery. And last but definitely not the least, number 4, avoid eating or drinking items that could stain your teeth. If you need to keep teeth looking white, it's a good idea to avoid certain foods and drinks that can stain your teeth, such as coffee, black tea, red wine, grape juice, and curry. If you do drink any of the above mentioned beverages, you can prevent them from staining your teeth by drinking them through a straw or by rubbing a light layer of Vaseline over your teeth beforehand. Alternatively, you can chew a stick of sugar-free whitening gum after eating or drinking these items. This can help to absorb any newly formed stains, making your teeth look whiter. So here you have it, the 4 ways in order to whiten your teeth in an hour using home remedies.